Yeah, I didn't know if you guys are interested here before I throw it out. So to rebuild a Vac-u-Flush toilet, you've got a Teflon seal and a rubber seal which go between the bowl and the pedestal, which is the base. So the Teflon seal, you can see that's what interfaces with the ball. So the ball goes in and out and seals against the Teflon seal, and that's what keeps the vacuum in the system. This is a water valve. So every time you press the pedal, this piston goes down. We put some silicone grease on there. Water from the ship's water system comes in here, and when the piston is down, it shoots water into the bowl, and this has got a measure on it, so it only shoots a certain amount each time. So that was replaced. This is the shaft that the ball pivots on. There's a couple little O-rings there. You can see how this portion of the shaft is in with the waste, so that's why it's nasty. Silicone lube has been put on those two O-rings. And finally, this is the cartridge, and it's the spring. So the shaft and the ball rotate around in this cartridge, and it's what returns it to the closed position. So that's your Vac-u-Flush. That's a complete rebuild of the Vac-u-Flush toilet. Of course, with the toilet disassembled, we're able to sanitize the area completely, which is good. I had a little trouble with the garage door, but it's been resolved. It was not going up and down normally. There was a wire behind it which had come loose. That's all it was. So it's operating normally on the remote control now. Anyway, take good care. Talk to you later.